taste?
It's really good.
Absolutely good.
It's better to have someone else do it for you. You do it yourself.
So you like having a robot serve you ice cream?
Yeah, it's better than knowing that somebody else has touched your food instead of a robot.
Would you tell your friends about this?
Yes.
Absolutely. We wish to have this everywhere.